Hi Eric. So for this Bank ACH page where we have replaced payment integration with Bank ACH, so on staging for one of the tenants, I have set that as a home page and a landing page. Now if I select that tenant, it is taking me to the URL. So it is taking me to the home page, which is not exist anymore. And if I click on return home, it is again taking me to the same page because my home page is the um, old payment integration page. So I think we should handle this. I mean, this must be on test as well, but I wasn't able to test because um, I got this scenario after the task was available for testing. So I wasn't able to set old page as a landing page or the home page. Yeah, thank you.